Once your KnowNow network is established, the addition of our Knowledge Bridge server unlocks the capabilities of our KnowNow Insights offering. The Knowledge Bridge server ensures regular updates of data from every device within your KnowNow network. Subsequently, our team securely connects to retrieve the raw data via SFTP. This data is then fed into our advanced analysis systems, enabling the generation of daily reports for each machine, as well as daily comparison reports. Additionally, shift trend reports are produced to provide comprehensive insights into operational patterns. Moreover, this comprehensive reporting system enables your team to start their day with actionable insights, allowing them to immediately focus on improvement actions. By receiving daily reports, your team gains real-time visibility into their operations. Additionally, the weekly insight report highlights areas of concern and potential requirements for predictive maintenance, empowering you to address issues promptly and efficiently. With these reports emailed directly to specified recipients, you can streamline decision-making processes and optimize their operational efficiency from the outset of each day.